Let us discuss the next question now. This is from the year 2019. With reference to the Constitution of India, prohibition or limitations or the provisions contained in the ordinary laws, they cannot act as prohibitions or limitations on the constitutional powers which are there in the Article 142. It could mean which of the following. The Article 142 gives the special powers to the Supreme Court so that they can do complete justice in certain cases. Statement 1 says, the decisions taken by the Election Commission of India while discharging its duties cannot be challenged in any court of law. Statement 2 says, the Supreme Court of India is not constrained in the exercise of its powers by the laws made by the Parliament. Statement 3, in the event of grave financial crisis, the President of India can declare a financial emergency without the counsel from the Cabinet. And Statement 4, state legislature cannot make laws on certain matters without the concurrence of the Union legislature. As I said, Article 142 gives extraordinary powers to the Supreme Court, where even where there is no law, the Supreme Court can act in such a way so that it can lead to giving the complete justice to the litigants. So the option that is syncing with this definition is Statement B, which says that the Supreme Court of India is not constrained or limited in exercise of its powers by the laws made by the Parliament. So even if there is no law in some case, the court can get ahead of its powers and give complete justice to the people. So this is the correct answer, because here the court is not being limited by the laws which are made by the Parliament, but ultimately the court is acting towards making complete justice to the litigants. Now let us look at the in-depth explanation about the Article 142. Article 142 talks about the enforcement of decrees and orders of the Supreme Court and the orders as to the discovery. And Article 142 Clause 1 talks about the Supreme Court in the exercise of its jurisdiction. They might pass such decree or such order if it is necessary for doing what? For doing complete justice in any of the case that is pending before it. And why is this done? So that the litigants who have suffered the injustice, or if they don't have any other legal course, or if there is some illegality in the previous judgments, in such a case, using the extraordinary powers, the court can issue an order or make a review or issue a decree, and such that the complete justice is provided to the litigants. This Article 142 is a unique power because to do the complete justice between the parties, the court will go beyond the normal time limits which the statutes or laws have provided, and they will go beyond the restrictions which are laid down by the law. That is why the statement says that the court here is not restricted or limited by the laws made by the Parliament. The court will go beyond that and will try to make complete justice to the litigants.